I like science fiction. It's always fascinated me, and people like Asimov, back in my day, added a lot of science to their science fiction, so there was a lot of reason behind what they were doing. Nowadays, you don't get quite as much of that, but people like Lindsay Sands have added some. I like her kind of a science fiction romance because instead of vampires just being vampires, they are Atlanteans. And they are what they are, and they can do what they do because of nanotechnology. So it's interesting. Space romance is different because it's set somewhere else. And that is fascinating. It's not just your plain old boy meets girl. It's something like Earther meets spaceman or spacewoman. And it can add a different factor. It can add a silly factor if you handle it that way. Yes, this may seem a little cheesy or silly, but I like the idea of different alien cultures because you can explore other things that we don't necessarily do in our culture. In different stories, you have people with different cultures on different planets, and you still have the same problems. Somebody misunderstands somebody, somebody feels they aren't being listened to, they aren't getting enough attention, and it lets us explore various different things of our own aspect. So these are the kinds of things that I like to read, and you know why. If you want to write your own, even if you don't see it out there at this time, don't be afraid to do it.